Ebusia me ti ha idea. Oh, once a Penyah knock me ha idea. Ultimate twan tron Ghana for now for who need there be. Hey, say media house no mun ka me busa hon question. Ebusia 2025 ye dey akogu. Na manya abotra compile videos bi. Enema bi a NDC for no kan say on be ye ama Ghana for. In the year 2025 alone, when your manifesto there be, where your boss share you 2025 no mu share, yes, omu be ye. By the end of 2025, na sa man oma ye. Ye busa question say, emu dodo saying, ana omu timi ye. Now first, omu scam me tertiary students. Ama media so TikTokers no ebu for air blast Mahama any NDC for no. Mama unchiri mu, how you Penyah block media, mess was say any deal. Over like video no other more subscribe button snap back click notification connect latest update na bet the wide and the mama e wo comment section so baso no share for anya bia hwe mimi obi a wo de make asa ya no ahwe ye bi say mi per receipt je oh mi per receipt and wo gaza no na mi bo date e twere ne ma bi gu form if you say day of accountability baba and do my list oh and this is 2025 promises my list date ni nipa bia o ka that 7 me list to. Now let's go to the list. The first person on top of my list is Ato Forson. Obekaya, January 13th January 2025, at the ministerial vetting, Anna Ato Forson, who was then finance minister designate, Ekatre Ghana for share Ghana for Yinabo. As I met my Ghana, me Ato Forson as finance minister designate. Mom penis when I'm a finance minister, and I'm a finance minister. I promise you one thing. Say I will ensure a tax-free economy. I know how to generate revenue without introducing any new tax. Ato Forson can say same way. Ghana for no. At the ministerial vetting, ya just so Penyah and Ato Forson be finance minister. Ebusia, any bosume nine na Ato Forson. The doomsday levy, that is energy sector levy or the aba. Any panel promise say say or no banner. On fat tax biama or no munyan sans kinofurata. Onim hawa obesia mesi kefi free Ghana hey abra on fat tax bia emma. He knows how to generate revenue without introducing any new tax. Any jima nowadays. Doomsday levy aba ema di we bedani deja e wo media say ye mark hono na Ato Forson we be Ghana for true. First person on top of my list wa fairly wontimi le nebo hye so wa fairly. Let's go to Sam George in 2024 e got now one of the TV stations e hono e no go kan bibi for real estate development ho there's a real estate o mu si adan dem ahan no ana Sam George guys how they could yes come. And it was said the then government, the good for the government, 18 months and you call more. Now, won't no cry, won't no cause a yes come.
Lot of the money
the real estate
that the politicians
business, real estate business in Ghana is money laundering. If our authorities want to deal with it, they will deal with it. The cost of real estate in Ghana is not justifiable by any stretch.
But Abusia, Nanka, I was expecting, say, yeah, two about this government in ya, no. Anka omo betina so na Sam George be za push that ade no aba ama you know ya put a ban on real estate development e wo Ghana hanamo. But interestingly Sam George baye he has gone shash on kasa hu bi. Sam George eja that real estate no waja ho asemoka. Yes I Sam George na so Sam George ye de trumu bill LBG enwa ye kikasa opposition nya Sam George no nkobu akufu adugu no 2025 what happened to the LGBTQ+ law? What happened? Ye Sam George corner so Sam George make a post on Twitter currently X and waka say enipa na ye do man sika ne tua ne ka ya fa na adwuma as president no owo tumi so de na awotwepe ebetu galamsey ase. Sam George mo betina kunya so 1 year nie. What happened? O ka say obetumi na awotwe etu galamsey ase. What happened to your government? with issue concerning galamsey, what happened to your government? And I said, na Kufa na word that 2 minutes between now prepare, but one more there 4 years between the two as na ye Kufa no okay, Matthias. Okay. Ebuja for some what say na ye. Kufa no word that 2 minutes or now prepare, but Mahama dey on there 4 years. Between 4 years two as today. You go so what but we wa fail. When men in the bushes. Na ye nkeka hu no. Now, let's go to the main promises for 2025. Obekaya, June Anna, Education Minister, Haruna Idrisu, share Bobby to Ghana for name, especially teacher training na Omariya school titi fie no. On Shobumbo, Emo can say by 31st December 2025. Na NDC government no or no serve with them as education minister no. Omabo modern I employ teachers 50,000 and have a non-teaching staff and also not 10,000 or Kambomua. They will give employment at the teaching field 60,000.
Commence work in September, but naturally by December 31st, the clearance which was issued by the Ministry of Finance lapsed. I only can work with a renewed clearance. That is what I'm waiting for, and let them be assured. And Mr. Speaker, as I've assured this House, 50,000 teachers would be recruited and some 10,000 non-teaching staff will be recruited. Adequate provision was made for this in the 2025 budget. Commence work in September, but naturally by December 31st, the clearance which was issued by the Ministry of Finance lapsed. I only can work with a renewed clearance. That is what I'm waiting for, and let them be assured. And Mr. Speaker, as I've assured this House, 50,000 teachers would be recruited and some 10,000 non-teaching staff will be recruited. Adequate provision was made for this in the 2025 budget. Commence work.
You ever find 60,000 Juma? Error teaching side honomo. 31st April and then 2nd January. Sabo Shana Education Minister Esha Yano. Yante was in baby. Anybody 50,000 no. And one no. And one so bear now say asa. Ti Ghana for trokesi. Jabu ye bi Ghana no mu kire ye. Fa nipa 50,000. Quarter by 31st December there. Ni afa nipa teacher for 50,000. Ghana no mu kire man that time no kan ye no. And this for boys eh mu nyina budget na so. Oh, Kevin tell ofu yi, o mu nyina budget na so. But ekosi say atroso media me kai mo me ntamo me kai mo niam mo ka se mo beye amanye me kai mo na obeka ya in that same instance Anna Felix Ofosu presidential staff for communication ono so be kan say me kire Ghana for I say oh 2025 e wo mi no 2025 e twa mu no government no form part of the government no they will construct 600 cheap compounds.
Assemblies Common Fund, and my DC is right behind me, so he's fully aware of this. Each district is required to construct 2 new chips compounds this year. Each district. So if you put that together, we are talking in excess of almost close to 600 chips compounds that will be put up this year alone, or at least work on them will start this year. If we maintain the tempo, that should give us over 2,000 chips compounds in the next 4 years. And this is a significant step towards improving healthcare services for the people of Ghana. Because
Yebuza Felix Ofosu say, Emudu say no motimesi. Omu wi emudu say. I tell you say asokra ya mfa more from see yesi ba kumpu. Aso ya mfa asokra more from see yesi ba ko. Hwe atoro kese e kire Ghana for be je no nyam hunu. Cause that time do be ka bia na eboje no so yeah. Education is like us obefa nipa 50,000 na be Ghana ha ye hoahoa no aban papa ba enu and this if we aban papa ba ene ye ne now ni bibi the boss of all is actually the president John Mahama e ka che Ghana for say ono onye bosia ene be obe running the economy no without going for loan. He will never borrow. Emma omiti share central share mukra no or the two when we say he has been able to run the economy for more than 6 months without acquiring any loan, without borrowing. But I are true. Every say, over 2024, a car, na Ghana, the as of December 2024. Now they be compared 20, as I'm speaking to you now, 2nd January 2026, a car Ghana, baby can akwa duru in terms of dollars ya. Bibia di adanse se akwaje bosia. Bibia di adanse. Ense ya je bosia, abosia na ya je na bosia enye kakuma. That's why say can say onye bosia. Na ese na ye na da hu. Oze Ghana for say bi adwuma o mere to be kan. Yee, sense wa ba mpa ba. O se onye bosia but ye nko fifi mu nko hwe say enipa no ka se onye bosia eye no kure. Ense wa anye bosia ana waje bosia. De obie na num ka no eye fine na ma Ghana for no. Eye fine mo ni NDC for no eye fine na wakase onye bosia eno ano ye mfa ho se woje se wanye nipa ne se onye bosia. That's all they know. Obeka ya yeti gold board e na eba ye say gold board no omo ba support galamsey activity omo galamsey no tintim because everybody can say there be gold board is coming to support galamsey activity because they will buy gold from galamseyers. It was even alleged say gold board is buying gold from galamseyers that time no. Semi Jenfi as gold board CEO another gold board president because say enya no kure masa enya no kure. Gold board is never buying gold from illegal miners, from galamseyers. But abusia 27th December 2025 no. Ana Bank of Ghana Governor Dr. Siama Eden and this betwa to our fit 2025 no e baaye. Edo chire mu say nyame adma 2026 say yewrami no. Government will stop buying gold from galamseyers. Government will stop buying gold. Which sector of the government buys gold? A gold board. Indirectly, gold board will stop buying gold from galamseyers. And some na ye can ya some dem be ya no den no. I don't like Bank of Ghana governor. I'll be exposing no. Yes, 2025 no dey. A tronko an nkofie mu e be di kire Ghana for. Now you know the almighty 24-hour economy. Yet krom heye. And this government dey buy say 24-hour economy. Obi abenya adwuma ye. Obi abedidi. Enti anto obama wo mu number omo formula 133 one job 3 people 3 shift na omo na ne oka 24-hour economy maje so opia benya adwuma ye opia bedidi but abusia interestingly I didn't promise so opia benya adwuma ye no at the 44th anniversary of 31st December revolution 31st December na ye etwa mu na no omo kaye JJ Rawlings the revolution o ye in the 44th year omo kaye no. Na hono ana Senator Lawrence ejeje ni baba our former part of the NDC government or the 72 years efa 24-hour economy ho o kire mu se obia government bia no obetu abema enwuma chese Ghana fo nyina mabu obia benya adwuma ye.
We have a duty to put aside parochial interests and to put Ghana first. If we look at what's happening in Ghana and we look at what's happening across the sub-region, if we make a mistake of taking incumbency for granted, of exhibiting arrogance of power, we only will have ourselves to blame. No government can provide employment for every single citizen, which is why the responsibility on government is so huge to provide an enabling environment, one that is not drowning in corruption or nepotism or ethnicity or marginalization of members of this country. This country can only survive if we do it together, with dignity, with respect for one another, exhibiting those timeless principles of integrity, of transparency, of accountability, of poverty. Ladies and gentlemen, if we are to leave Ghana better than we found it, we have a duty to stick to those principles.
Na the 24-hour economy no mo hye Ghana for boy say opia benya adwuma ye no na ebuso aye na ada scam Ghana for no big time in the year 2025. Must scam me a big time. Now let's go into it. Obekaya, His Excellency the President, John Mahama. Okay, say there's something which is called teachers licensure exams. It doesn't make any sense. Say teacher need because school be the better exams or be pass it. And for exams are pass every no. Yes, I say licensure exams and yes sir, unya or license everyone koye as a teacher need. Say you can say obetwem. It makes no sense. Obetwem.
Licensure exams, you can watch them 2020. You can hold dada. You can watch them dada 2020. And to assume say, and you say, what should say colleges of education no? Adi a omo chere nkwadaa no enu pempens ebebia e wo se edura e wo se wo ye hu bibi na omutimi eye omo exams no mu pie eye den na nkwadaa ombeba training college 4 years no mature exam afibia omo chere exam afibia omo chere exam edru 4th year no mature final exam no more pass it. Ya pass here, we are choosing my teacher for no. No, waka say almost am betro exam bibium and san na mwaji omo to be say my teacher for. Ezu enti ya dey say ba licensure exam no ye be year free ho. Ni a hwe nhihia ye be ye and making sure say nipa bia obekọ college of education obewie no na eche say oye teacher.
But abusia, it was so interesting. Teacher from your school last year 2025 no. Bomo someone for and said, did they write licensure exams or not? They took it. By September, they wrote it. September, October, they wrote the licensure exams. Next 2025 no day. Boss share this for share Ghana for. Ebedane ntronkwa. Entroso. And obetwa editre Ghana for. Now they said these are the promises that NDC government told Ghanaians specifically in 2025 so ombeya ma Ghana for no. But nyamianim ne kurede. It tend to be lies. Yeah, they were here. Dem baby and yabe kaim. Moshe bubiana yebeba abe kaim. You keep an eye on you people. Set a beady eye on you. Put pen on your government and you'll be marking it. Ebeka kaim. Chida waje mame ewo comment section. How you Penyah Block Media?